Have you ever felt for something nice to eat for lunch, but the only thing that's on your mind is to have some junk food, whether it be some burgers or some fried chicken with fries? Well, that was me, but I was feeling for something more healthier and I wanted to prepare something quick and easy at home. So I'm going to show you how to make this garlic butter shrimp salad. So first I'm going to start off by using a few simple vegetables that you might have somewhere around in your refrigerator. So I'm using here some lettuce, and first I'm going to wash my lettuce with salt and vinegar. So washing your lettuce is key because sometimes you have some bugs stuck in the crevice and the corner, and you also have some dirt. So you want to ensure that you wash your lettuce. Then I'm also going to chop my lettuce and put it aside. Afterwards, I'm going to prepare the cucumber